Good day everyone. In previous video we have covered filtration process. We came to know about the steps of auto filter and standard filter. In this video we will cover advanced filter. Advanced filter option can be used to filter the records with more complex criteria. Auto filter option is simple. Standard filter option is little bit complex. Advanced filter is more complex than auto filter and standard filter. It can filter the records at the same place like auto filter, or can also copy the filtered record to a new location. These are the steps of advanced filters. You can see here. Now, how to do the advanced filtration? Here, first of all, you need to copy the field names in any other row. Like initially my field names are in row number 3. I have copied the field names in row number 14. And in D15 and E15 I have mentioned here the condition which is greater than 80. Here signs greater than 80. Means I need to filter the record, and the condition here is maths number should be greater than 80, sign should be greater than 80. If I'll see the data, then roll number 1 whose name is Rohan Singh, only that will satisfy this condition. Now see how to do the advanced filter. First of all, click on data option in menu bar, then click on filter, click on advanced filter. It will show you this dialog box. Then we need to select the data which is roll number till computer marks, whole data. You can see here. Then it will fill up by default as soon as I have selected the data. Now there is an option more. You can see here. When we click on more, it will open up like this. There is an option copy result to. Just tick it on, then it will show you like this. Here you need to select the row which you have copied afterwards, and you have written the condition over here. Then you need to click on OK. It will show you the result. You can see here roll number 1 Rohan Singh, maths marks is greater than 80, science marks is greater than 80, which is maths is 87 and science 85. It will show you the result. This is the way to do the advanced filtration. I hope you understand this. I will explain it again. Just click on data option, click on filter option, then advanced filter option. A dialog box will open up. Select the data which you want to do filter, then click on more, select the data where you want the result, check on the copy result to, and then click on OK. It will show you the result. I hope you will understand how to do the advanced filtration. Thank you.